Well, hello everybody, this is video number 3 of the 21st of November 22, and again this is a GG Homes bit of construction, and we're out by the pool, and yet again the news doesn't look very good as far as the water egress from the pool is concerned. Still, the walls are appearing to be damp, and no real fix has been confirmed on this. Pedro from GG Homes has told me that this is all now fixed and is not damp anymore, but I think, as you can see from that, there's evidence that that is not the case, and they still need to do some more work on that. And there is the view, and fence is actually in place down by the side of the pool, but again, as you can see, it still needs repairing. That'll be the last one. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next one.